What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today we are installing the clutchmax stage 2 clutch, and we are test fitting the sandwich plate for the oil cooler to make sure it has clearance with the lines and everything to fit on top of the fittings. You'll see when we go over there. But this is the exciting part of the day. The clutchmax stage 2 clutch. Now, I've heard so many mixed reviews on this clutch. From my understanding, it is a good clutch. And if you treat it right, it will treat you right. Now, they say people get these and they rate it for like 300 horsepower and their cars like 500 horsepower, and they try and beat down these clutches. And that's why they say these are bad clutches for the most part. But they say if you stick to the range that it's at, which this one is rated for 310 horsepower, and my goal is 300 horsepower. I actually accomplished that goal of 300 horsepower. It should be pretty much time for me to upgrade my clutch and everything. It came with a throw bearing too. For me personally, I think that any company that puts their name on something is a good company. Because there's a lot of companies out there that don't want their name on anything. Clutch is in, and now we need to put in the oil cooler. Now we need to put the oil cooler sandwich plate in. So first off, when I got my oil cooler, it is a aftermarket oil cooler. So with the VR, I couldn't find a delete plate for the original oil filter spot. My original oil cooler out because it was bad, and I ordered an aftermarket oil cooler, and it came with this sandwich plate. So with the sandwich plate, it does not come with the filter. It does not come with the filter, nor the piece that you need to make. So I had to go to I had to go to Home Depot and buy this piece right here. So that is the spot where the old oil cooler was. So what happens is you get in the mail, you get this piece that comes with it that screws right into here. That will screw right into there, like so. And then you would take your sandwich plate, and then your sandwich plate will go here, just like that. And then the fitting that I was telling you about, this fitting right here, will have to go inside of here, kinda like this. Alright? Bam. So then you would take your filter like this, and then pretty much screw her. Yeah, and then take the filter and just tighten the filter all the way. Just like that. And then we'll take, and that's what I wanted to know. Was I gonna have enough room to be able to put that in there? And I'm not. So I think I'm gonna have to take it and turn it upside down. So yeah, let's try that. So we're gonna loosen up the filter. And then we're just gonna turn it upside down, like that. And then we will be able to run look like I might have some trouble here trying to fit these fittings in here. So it took some custom fabrication by the one and only, and now I think I can slide it on in there. All right, and that's how she will sit. So we're running 2 oil filters. Boy, my oil is gonna be so clean. But this one is for the oil cooler, and these are the lines right here for it. And this is the oil filter, and we're gonna run the oil pressure gauge off of the oil filter and leave the oil cooler on, which I could over there, but there is totally not enough room, because look at that, I had to cut off that much just to get that fitting to fit inside of there. But that is how that is gonna look, and that is how I would install my sandwich plate on my VR if I wanted to install an aftermarket oil cooler. There you have it, guys. I think that does look awesome, man. I'm excited to put this in, dude. This is, oh my gosh. So we got the oil cooler sandwich plate, we got the oil cooler sandwich plate in, and the AM lines, and we have the stage 2 clutchmax, stage 2 clutchmax clutch on and pressure plate. So that's awesome. And I'm still waiting on one more thing to come in the mail before I can slap that transmission on there. And yeah, but to be honest with you guys, this is what I'm scared of. I'm not even scared of the clutch. I'm scared of the bearing. So I had to let you guys charge for a second, but I managed to get this out of there. That was super simple. Now I gotta figure out how to get this bearing out of here. So there's a little pin right there. There's a little pin. You gotta push that pin sideways, and it releases this bearing. So quick comparison right quick. That was the old one. Man, was it rusted out. But that was the old. You know, for a car that only had like 100,000 miles on it, everything in this car seemed to be very rusted out. And then this is the new one. So now we're gonna take this one. And to put this in, all you have to do is that ball right there needs to line up with that little ball right there, and then those pins right there needs to come through that little hole right there, and then that's how you pretty much put it back in there. So new throwout bearing is installed in, and that piece is back on there. So well, now we got that installed, I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.